guys, we're in Ocotillo Wells. It is January, it's beautiful. Garrett's here.
75 degrees.
85 degrees. Just kidding. It's beautiful out here, man. Such good weather. Preston's here. Pre-Shields. Scott, the Gray Money Pit is here. Paul, American Sender dude, is here.
Hey guys, I like Terra Crew and you should too. So like and subscribe so we can keep on doing this stuff.
Hey guys, Terra Crew YouTube, like it and subscribe it.
And guess what, guys? Arshia's here. Arshia, where have you been?
Momming by Mr. Desert, so it's good to be back.
Are you gonna help us shoot some stuff today?
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy to see Arshia out here. Dude, how nice is that?
That was pretty smooth.
Damn, dude, that was dancing. Looking like a cheetah in the wild. We got Trevor from Flyby Photography and the triple OG gangster right here, Will Severson.
Yeah.
What up, my boy?
What's up, dude?
Straight in the video game, in the meta world right now?
Do I look like a dork?
No, you look like you're crushing it.
I look sick.
Hey guys, so we got Garrett to hop in, get away from behind the camera and get behind the wheel. Let's go, Garrett, go! Hey guys, we're at the Blue Inn right now. Today's been going pretty good.
Yeah. Hammer down like on the lip. I think I was rolling a little too fast. You see the double he did over in Shell Reef?
That's right at the entrance, huh? Is that farther to the right?
It's like 30 feet
It's
to
right
the
where
right
that tabletop is that we normally do.
Oh.
We'll cruise over there.
I rolled it like 3 weeks in a row, and I was like, no, no, no. And then when I was here with Jared, he's like, I think I'm gonna hit it. I'm like, what? Then he hit it, on darted a little bit. I'm like, well, I have to hit it now because it's my jump, my line.
We're actually talking to Jared online, and he's gonna race that thing.
And he doesn't hold back when he drives it.
Hopefully we cover that.
We have video of us hitting Devil's Slide at the same time.
There it is.
2 4-doors.
BFFs.
They're holding hands too.
Yeah, out the window holding hands. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Today was an awesome day. We had a lot of the homies out here, a lot of new trucks we haven't seen. Super good day today. Everybody's safe. Empty out here in Ocotillo. Beautiful weather. Say bye.
Later.
Say bye, Nick619.
Later, guys.
Subscribe, like, and all that stuff if you guys like what we're doing. Bye, guys. Take care.